Hey, it's your Haitian cousin Kado, and on top of the romance and the flirtation, one of the best aspects to being Haitian is the food, okay? Like, have you tried our rice? Have you tried our rice? I don't eat pork, but have you tried the Kreyol? Do you eat tassel? Do you like fish? Because, we're really on top when it comes to the food. Going into a Haitian restaurant for the first time could feel intimidating. So, especially if you don't speak the language and you don't know how to order off the menu, today's video is for you, okay? We're going past just pointing at things on the menu to actually being able to say the words with confidence. So, when you walk into a Haitian restaurant, the first thing you want to do is always greet, no matter what. You want to be respectful. So you start off with bonsoir, good evening, or you can say bonjour if you're going at the daytime. Normally I like to say bonjour mommy, bonjour madame, bonsoir, or you can say bonsoir monsieur if it's a man serving you, but let's get the greeting out the way. So now that you got the greeting out the way, you want to ask for the menu. So you say, s'il vous plaît, mwen ka wè menu? S'il vous plaît, est-ce que mwen ka wè menu? Mwen ka wè menu? Can I see the menu? Mwen ka wè menu? S'il vous plaît, mwen ka wè menu? Can I see the menu, please? S'il vous plaît, mwen ka wè menu? Or if you don't want to ask for the menu, you could say, Ki sa nou genyen jodi a? This is normally what I like to say. Ki sa nou genyen jodi a? What do you guys have today? Ki sa nou genyen jodi a? Ki sa nou genyen jodi a? Ki sa nou genyen jodi a? When you get more confident with your Haitian Creole, you could put the words together. So that's why I want you to really understand the vocabulary, because when they get to talking fast, you think you don't know what they're saying, but you actually do. Ki sa nou gen jodi a? I'm still saying ki sa nou gen jodi a, but I'm saying ki sa nou gen jodi a? Ki sa nou gen jodi a? Nice. All right, now it's time to order. The first thing to the sentence you're gonna say is mwen vle, I want. Mwen vle, mwen vle. Mwen vle poule, mwen vle poule. Poule is chicken. Mwen vle poule. S'il vous plaît, mwen vle poule. Please, I want chicken. Mwen vle poule. Mwen vle diri ak pois. Mwen vle diri. Don't say diri. I don't want to hear you say diri. If I hear you say diri, it's not diri, it's not diri. Diri. Mwen vle diri ak pois. Mwen vle diri jonjon. Mwen vle diri blanc. I want white rice, diri blanc. Mwen vle diri jonjon. I want mushroom rice. Mwen vle diri ak pois. I want rice with beans. Pois. Pois is how you say beans. But if you're gonna get beans, maybe you want sauce pois, because this is a Haitian restaurant. So you can say, mwen vle diri blanc ak sauce pois. I want white rice with black beans. Diri blanc ak sauce pois. Mwen vle diri blanc ak sauce pois. This is for the griot lovers. Mwen vle griot. Mwen vle griot. Mwen vle griot. If you want to have the plantains on the side with the rice, you could say mwen vle yon complet. Mwen vle yon griot complet. Mwen vle yon poule complet. I want the complete everything, all the portions. Mwen vle yon complet. Complet. Mwen vle yon complet. Mwen vle yon poule complet. Mwen vle yon griot complet. Mwen vle yon tasso complet. Complet. Now, if you don't eat chicken and you don't eat pork, you probably want poisson, fish. Bon poisson, bon poisson. Give me fish. Mwen vle poisson. I want fish. Mwen pa vle poisson. I don't want fish. Poisson, poisson. Mwen vle poisson. Bon poisson. Bon poisson, non. Bon poisson. Give me the fish. Bon poisson. Give me the fish. Not poisson. Pois. It's not an R, it's a W. Poisson. Bon poisson. Now, if you're not familiar with what's on the menu, you never seen that food item before, you want to ask, what's that? Sasaye. Sasaye la. Ki sasaye. What's that? Ki sasaye. Sasaye. Ki sasaye. What's that? Ki sasaye. Dim ki sasaye. Tell me what's that. Dim ki sasaye. Tell me what's that. Ki sasaye. Dim no. What's that? Tell me. See, when you get more confident with Kreyol, that's when you can get all zizi with it and move the words around. But I need you to know the basics. What comes inside of it? What's inside of it? Ki sa ki la dan? Ki sak la dan? What's inside of it? Ki sak la dan? Li pique? Est-ce qu'elle pique? M'pa vle pique. M'reme pique. I don't want it to be spicy. Is it spicy? Li pique? Li piqué, when you say li piqué, that means is it spicy? M'pa vle piqué. I don't want piqué. M'pa vle piqué. M'pa manger piqué. I don't eat spicy food. M'aime piqué. Oh, m'aime piqué. I like spicy. Yes, I love spicy. Piqué. Piqué means spicy in Haitian Creole. Okay, now it's time to order your drinks. Qui sa vle boire? Qui sa vle boire? That's what they're gonna ask you. Qui sa vle boire? Sa boire. Sa boire. What are you drinking? What do you want to drink? Sa boire. Bam yon dlo. 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 D-L-O. Dlo. That's how you say water. Bam yon dlo. Give me a water. Give me a water. Ma boire dlo. Ma boire yon dlo. I'll drink a water. Ma boire yon dlo. Ma boire yon dlo. I'll drink a water. Ma boire yon dlo. Ma pren yon soda. Ma pren yon soda. That's how you act like you're thinking. Ma pren yon soda. I'll take a soda. Ma pren yon soda. Soda. Ma pren yon soda. Bam yon soda. Bam yon soda. Give me a soda. M'pa vle soda, m'pa vle dlo. Ma pren jus. I don't want soda. I don't want water. I'll take a juice. M'vle jus. I want juice. Jus. Mwen vle jus. Mwen me jus. I like juice. Jus. Map manje la. I'm eating here. Map manje la. Or you can say, map manje la kay mwen. I'll eat at home. Map manje la kay mwen. I'll eat at my house. Map manje la kay mwen. Or you could say, map manje deyo. Map manje deyo. Map manje deyo. That means I'll eat outside. Now, it's time to pay for it. Comment wa paye? Comment wa paye? How are you paying? How are you paying? Comment wa paye? Comment wa paye pour manger? How are you going to pay for the food? Comment wa paye pour manger? Chérie, comment wa paye pour manger? Baby, how are you going to pay for the food? Combien liye? Combien liye? If you want to know how much the food costs, you want to say combien liye? Combien liye? Combien manger aye? Combien manger aye? How much does it cost? Combien liye? How much does it cost? Combien manger aye? How much does the food cost? Ma paye avec 4. Ma paye avec 4. Ma paye avec 4 mwen. Ma paye avec 4 mwen. I'm gonna pay with my card. Ma paye avec 4. I'll pay with card. I'll pay with card. Ma paye avec 4. Ma paye avec cash. Ma paye avec cash. I'm gonna pay with cash. Ma paye avec cash. Key words that you should be saying in the restaurant. Tant pis, that means please. S'il vous plaît, that means please. Merci, that means thank you. Merci en pile, that means thank you very much. So now that I gave you all the words that you need, you can order your food with confidence. You don't have to be pointing and being shy. No, man, exercise these words. Bye. Oh, actually, I forgot to teach you something. Banan pizzi. Banan pizzi. Banan pizzi. Banan pizzi is usually a fried plantain, and it's what we have with all of our dishes. Banan pizzi. Now you can go. Bye.